Hey guys, this is Z-Man's Reviews, and today we're looking at a Matchbox Working Rigs Attentionator truck. GMC 3500 Attentionator truck. It's basically a work truck, and yeah, it has a little indicator light that let the cars know you need to go that way, and yeah, and it says lane close ahead. So it's basically a work truck, and yeah, yes. Let's open this up and find out, okay. Oh, let me show you the features first. It has a removable sign that goes left and right. It has a ramp, and yeah. And it says GMC 3500 Attentionator truck. Yeah, let's open this up and find out. Oops. I'll pick that up later. Sorry, it's a little windy out. Ah, it goes this way. Ah, I get it. You're supposed to take off the sign and move it over here. I get it. Hold on. I get it. You can pretend like lane closed, people. Okay. Because the yellow arrow is pointing that way. The yellow arrow is pointing that way, so let the cars know that they need to go this way. Oh. Yeah. It's a pretty fun truck. You can use this in your play scenarios. Like, this lane is closed. Like, let me give you an example. This is the road, and the road is closed this way, but it's not closed that way, so the cars know that it need to go this way. Yeah. I like this truck because it has the little details like lane close ahead, the yellow sign, the yellow arrow, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, this is Z-Man's Review signing off, bye!